Hello, everyone. I'm Subhash Karthik, communication coach. And today I'll talk about grammar. Of course, I always talk about grammar only. But today I'll talk about a very simple thing, a very important part of speech, and that is called noun. Noun. And today is our part number 1. Next, we will again meet for part number 2. So, noun, a very important part of speech. Without noun, guys, I just want to tell you something. Noun, pronoun, they are very important. Why? Suppose you want to speak in English and you want to start your sentences. हम जब इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं? We start our sentence. जब आप इंग्लिश में स्टार्ट करते हो, when you start your sentence in English, you start with either noun or pronoun. You start with either noun or pronoun. सो हम लोग जब भी इंग्लिश स्टार्ट करते हैं, मैक्सिमम जो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं उनमें हम नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन से ही इंग्लिश को स्टार्ट करते हैं. नॉट ओनली स्टार्ट, व्हेन वी एंड द सेंटेंस, हम एंड जब सेंटेंस को एंड करते हैं ना, वहां पे भी हमें नाउन और प्रोनाउन की जरूरत होती है. सो नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इफ यू रियली वांट टू स्टार्ट योर सेंटेंस. बहुत लोग हैं जिनको इंग्लिश स्टार्ट करने में तकलीफ होती है. दे से सर, I can't start. I can't start in English. If you know noun and pronoun, it will help you to start your English more effectively. So guys, let's go ahead and learn noun in a new way, in a different way, in a funny way. And yes, at the end, I will take a small test also so that you can understand how much did you understand. Okay, so guys, welcome everyone and let's go ahead and learn noun. So we all know that sentence, whenever we speak English, we use sentence. You all know that whenever we speak in English, we use sentence. And you know that whenever we speak in English, either we make action sentence or we make expression sentence. जब भी बात करते हैं या तो एक्शन में बात करते हैं या तो एक्सप्रेशन में बात करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राज स्पीक्स इंग्लिश. राज स्पीक्स इंग्लिश. दिस राज, ये जो राज स्पीक इंग्लिश है, ये एक्शन सेंटेंस है. ये बोल रहा है कि भाई राज स्पीक्स, राज क्या करता है? राज बोलता है इंग्लिश में. राज स्पीक्स इंग्लिश. दिस इज एक्शन सेंटेंस. इट टॉक्स अबाउट सम एक्शन. बट if I go for expression sentence, English is a language. English is a language. Expression में ना हम बताते हैं कि कोई चीज कौन है, क्या है, और एक्शन में हम बताते हैं कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. So action sentence, Raj speaks English. Expression sentence, English is a language. Suppose if I say I am a teacher, I am a teacher, this is expression sentence. I am a teacher, it is expression sentence. But if I say I teach English, that is action sentence. Okay. So now you see, action sentences are used 95%. मतलब दुनिया में इंग्लिश में कोई भी जब इंग्लिश में बात करता है, they speak action sentence 95%. Imagine, means whoever speaks in English, they speak action sentence most of the time. And merely and rarely in 5% we use expression sentence. इसका मतलब कोई भी इंग्लिश में बात करता है तो वो एक्शन और एक्सप्रेशन सेंटेंस को यूज करता है. Here you can see Raj. Raj is a name of a person. English is also the name of the language. So Raj is also noun and English is also noun because it talks about name. English is the name of the language. English जो है वो language का नाम है. English, Bengali, Marathi, Urdu, Punjabi. These are Nouns, because it talks about the name of the language. And Raj is the name of the person. So again, any name is noun. कोई भी नाम जो होता है वही noun होता है. We know this. Let's see some more example. Guys, always remember one thing very important. If you really want to improve your English, you have to think that I don't know anything. If you are sitting today and if you feel that I know noun, मुझे noun आता है, मैं क्यों पढ़ूंगा? This is not a right attitude for a student. If you really want to know, if you really want to explore, आप बहुत कुछ सीखोगे जो आपको पता है. And you will learn lot of things which you don't know. But एक ही चीज जब आप बार बार पढ़ोगे, आप उस subject में you can be expert. Okay? So let's go ahead. So there are two types of sentence, action and expression. Let's see some example. Mr. Bachchan will go for shooting. Mr. Bachchan will go for shooting. No doubt, this sentence is action or expression. Let's go to you. Let's ask to Bharti. Bharti Oza, can you tell me this is action sentence or expression sentence?
Sir, it's a action sentence.
Action sentence, right? तो यहाँ पे आप बोल सकते हो मिस्टर बच्चन विल गो फॉर शूटिंग. यहाँ पे कौन सा नाउन है, कौन सा प्रोनाउन है, कौन सा वर्ब है? कैन यू टेल मी?
Mr. Bachchan is noun.
Okay.
And shooting is action. Go also action.
नहीं, एक्शन बोल के कुछ नहीं होता है. वर्ब आप बोल रहे हो, वर्ब. You are telling verb. So how many verbs are here? Bharti, where are you? I can't see you. अभी तो आप यहीं पे थी. And now I can't see you. Okay, I think somehow we are missing the. Okay, let's go for. Just a minute, Bharti is not there. Okay, yes, Bharti, yes, unmute yourself. Bharti, tell me how many verbs are here?
Sir, one is go verb.
Okay.
And other is shooting.
Okay, so you want to say कि यहाँ पे दो verb है, go और shooting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine, Bharti. Let's go for Preeti. Preeti, unmute yourself and tell me how many verbs are here? Three.
Will go
And?
shooting.
Will go and shooting. Okay. Okay, let's go for Suman.
Yes, sir.
How many verbs are here?
There are three verbs: will, go, and shooting. Will is a time verb.
Okay, okay, fine. I get it. Neelam Agarwal, tell me how many verbs are here?
Sir, three. Will, go, and shooting.
अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे पढ़ाई का. Okay, let's go for the next speaker. Okay, let's go for okay, Momita. Yes.
Sir, will go.
Will go. There are two verbs. Then why people are telling shooting is a verb?
Shooting is noun and for me preposition.
Okay, very good, Momita. Wonderful answer. So Mr. Bachchan is noun. Shooting is noun here. भाई ing होना मतलब ही verb है, ये दिमाग से निकाल लीजिए आप लोग, ठीक है? Most of the people they feel that if there is ing, it means it is a verb. It is not possible. ing verb नहीं होता है. And I'll give you a clue which will help you. Will is a verb 1 and go is a verb 2 and for is a preposition. Absolutely right, Momita. सबसे पहले तो देखिए noun का. See, आज मैं दूसरे चीजों पे फोकस नहीं कर रहा हूं. Today my focus is noun. You see, noun, position देखो noun का. Starting and ending. You cannot use noun at the middle of the sentence. Noun is always there when you start a sentence and when you end the sentence. When you start the sentence, you start with noun or pronoun. When you end the sentence, you end with noun and pronoun. वो जो ing देख रहे हो ना, that shooting, it is a noun. It is a form of a noun. It looks like verb, but it is not a verb. और इसको आप कैसे समझोगे? हमेशा दिमाग में रखना. Always, always remember this. You cannot end any sentence with verb. आप किसी सेंटेंस को वर्ब से एंड नहीं कर सकते. You cannot end any sentence with verb. Anybody has any question, you can ask me. सबसे पहली बात, the most important thing is when you saw a verb at the last position, तभी आपको doubt होना चाहिए. Verb always sits at the middle. We do not use verb at the end of the sentence.
Sir.
Yeah.
A very simple sentence. I am eating. So eat is verb here, and the sentence is ended with eating. The action verb.
What are you eating?
So simple sentence. I am eating. I am going.
See, try to understand. A sentence has a structure. Sentence has a structure that is subject part, verb, and rest of predicate. If you are not using rest of predicate, that does, you are taking a shortcut there. आप I am eating बोल रहे हो, आप सामने वाले को object नहीं दे रहे हो. You are not giving the object that what you are eating. इससे क्या problem हो रहा है? सामने वाला will ask you, what are you eating? You will again say, I am eating biryani. So ultimately, your main sentence is not I am eating. Your main sentence is I am eating something. Your mains, आप उसको short में बोल रहे हो, that you are doing it for your benefit. But you cannot end the sentence with verb. आप कभी verb से sentence end नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि आप verb से sentence end करोगे तो आप सामने इंसान जो है उसके ऊपर आप वो आपको बहुत question करेगा उसको.
It will become open-ended.
Yes. See, always remember, your sentence should always have the start, that is subject part, then verb, and then the object or the complementary, the rest of predicate. आप सोचो, you see this sentence. Mr. Bachchan will go के बाद क्या? If I'll not say that, people will be confused. It is an incomplete sentence. See, I am eating, it is an incomplete sentence. This is not a complete sentence. People, आप जब object को add नहीं करोगे, it will be always incomplete sentence and the other person has to ask you lot of question to get the object. So भाई उसको एक बार में object दे दो ना. You tell that I'm eating rice or I'm eating dal or I'm eating something. Okay. So don't worry about it. And please, today our focus is verb. Focus is noun. Verb का आपका अलग training होगा. Don't worry. You will learn about verb and everything. Today our focus is noun. What I am telling you, you cannot end the sentence with verb here. और दूसरी बात रुपेश जी, आप देखो यहाँ पे verb already खत्म हो गया था go के बाद. Verb के बाद, after verb, preposition, and again verb, it is not possible. When verb comes, it just comes side by side. Verb 1, verb 2. वो verb के बाद, there is a preposition and again verb, it is not possible. So in this sentence is starting with noun, that is Mr. Bachchan, and shooting is also ending with a noun. So noun, when we start sentence, we need noun and pronoun. When we end sentence, there also we need noun and pronoun. Let's go for another example. The dog barks loudly. Okay, so let's go for, this time I'll go a bit faster. Let's go to Ritu. Yeah, Ritu Sinha, tell me which are the parts of speech you can see here.
Sir, the dog is a noun, barks verb, and loudly it is adverb.
And the dog is noun, you are telling.
Yes, sir.
Dog is noun.
Yeah, the dog is noun.
Loudly and barks. Okay, barks is verb. Loudly it is an adverb,
Adverb.
and the is an article. Yeah. So you can see this. The is an article. Dog is a noun. Barks is a verb. Loudly it is an adverb. So here also we can see that sentence is starting with a noun. So most of the time, sentence always starts with a noun or pronoun. Majorly, zyadatar. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. My brother loves football. So this time I would like to call Bindu Suku. Bindu Suku. Yeah, Bindu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me the parts of speech here. What is, yeah, you try. We are not asking for right answer. We are just checking how much you know right now. What is my, what is brother, what is loves, what is football? Try.
Brother is noun.
Brother is noun. Okay, absolutely right. What next?
Loves is adjective.
Any action word is a verb. Any action word is a verb. Okay, always remember, जो भी action verb होता है ना, वो verb होता है. Okay.
Okay.
And football.
Love.
Football is the name of the game. Football. So it is also noun. Let's see. Brother is a noun. Football is a noun. Loves is a verb. My is a possessive adjective, we call it. It is a kind of a pronoun only. And football is a noun. See what we are doing. We are trying to know each and every word, which is noun, which is pronoun, which is adjective. These are important if you really want to know this language. And my is called pronoun, and it is called possessive pronoun or possessive adjective भी बोलते हैं इसको. Possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. It is also called that. मतलब किसका brother? मेरा brother. So it's my brother. It's talk about the possession. So it's called possession pronoun. Arpita, you want to ask anything?
Sir.
Yeah.
I asked something. What are you doing? So last जो तो verb है.
Okay, what are you doing? So this is a different type of sentences. We call it a question word start. Normally whenever we speak, right? Whenever we speak, either we speak in subject part start or whatever the start we do, we will do this in, you know, ये जो कुछ start है जहाँ पे ऐसे sentence होता है. But anyway, what are you doing right now? What are you doing? So there is something which comes at the end always. हम लोग short में बोलते हैं, it doesn't mean. आप verb के साथ sentence को कभी end नहीं कर सकते. ऐसा नहीं कि आप की करते नहीं हो. Sometimes we also say कि I am teaching. लेकिन इससे क्या होता है और लोग ज्यादा question पूछते हैं. So complete. When you speak, use object so that you speak complete sentences. Let's go for the next sentence. My best friend will be meeting me at the airport. Let's take the longest bit long sentence and I'll go to Neha this time. Neha is going to tell me all the parts of speech.
My pronoun.
Okay.
Friend is noun.
Okay.
Will verb 1.
Okay.
Be is also verb.
Okay.
And meeting verb है.
Okay.
Me noun.
Me noun. Okay.
At preposition.
Yes.
The article.
Yeah.
And airport noun.
Airport is a noun. Okay, let's check it. My is a possessive adjective or pronoun, you can say. Best, kaisa friend, best friend. So it talks about adjective. सो हम लोग बाद में एडजेक्टिव को लेके भी हम लोग वी विल डू द स्टडी,
हाँ,
डोंट वरी।
best, exactly.
या सो एनी क्वालिटी, जब कोई क्वालिटी के बारे में बात करता है ना, कैसा है, बेस्ट है, गुड है, ग्रेट है, दिस बेस्ट, गुड, ग्रेट, दीज आर एडजेक्टिव, जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बारे में बोल रहा है कि कैसा है, कैसा दोस्त है, बेस्ट फ्रेंड। सो बेस्ट इज एन एडजेक्टिव, friend is a noun, will is a verb 1, be is a verb 2, meeting is a verb 3, me is a pronoun, me is a pronoun। अब pronoun क्या है ये हम लोग जब pronoun सीखेंगे उस समय हम लोग बात करेंगे। At is a preposition, the is an article, and airport is a noun. So you can see in this sentence also, this noun, the sentence started with the noun and ended with a noun. So I am telling you what is noun and what are the placements. Noun हमेशा जब भी बैठता है तो कहाँ बैठता है? The placement of noun. So every sentence you can see the placement is एकदम starting से noun start होता है and at the ending we use the noun. And बीच में हमेशा verb होता है. You can see the verbs here, will, be, meeting. Let's go for the next. So what is a noun? Noun is a word that is a person, place or things. Noun कोई इंसान हो सकता है, राज, सुभाष, वंदना, रुपेश. These are the name of a person. Place like Kolkata, place like Delhi, Mumbai. These are the name of the place. Thing, anything like whatever आप अपने आंखों से जो भी चीजें देख रहे हो वो सब. I can see toy, I can see mouse, I can see laptop, light, fan, AC, bottle. आप अपने आंखों से जो भी देख रहे हो, that is noun. Whatever you see, that is noun. Let's see. If a word is a person, place or thing, it is a noun. The same thing I'm telling you again. So noun is very easy. आप अपने आंखों से जो भी चीजें देख रहे हो, हाँ, जो भी चीजें देख रहे हो वो सारे नाउन है. That is a name. Okay, let's see. These are some of the list of common nouns. ये कुछ common nouns है. You see cat, man, furniture, boy, house, flower, fruit, animal. जो भी आप देखते हो, आप एक बिल्ली को देखते हो, आप इंसान को देखते हो, आप फर्नीचर को देखते हो, किसी लड़के को देखते हो, boy, house, flower, fruit. These all are noun and these are common noun. These are common noun. मैं बताऊंगा कि क्या difference है common noun and proper noun में. I'll tell you the difference. I know so many people you know about it, but still I consider that you don't know anything. Okay. So these are common nouns. Common मतलब ये कोई specific नहीं है. लड़का, बिल्ली, these are not specific. अब proper noun देखना आप समझ में आ जाएगा. You see the proper noun. Titanic is a particular ship. Bible is not a book, is a particular book. Taj Mahal is a one, you know, is a one palace kind of thing which we have in India. We have got Plesiosaur, it's a name of the dinosaur. Australia is the name of the country. Jupiter is the name of the planet. So these are the particular name of any noun. मतलब noun का भी एक proper noun. Santa Claus, this is a particular name. So these are some example of proper noun. I'll give you some better example. You will understand more. So don't worry about it. So common name means जिसका कोई particular नाम नहीं है. जैसे screwdriver, it is a noun. It is a common noun. अगर मैं बोलूं TV, TV, बहुत TVs हैं. There are a lot of TVs. So TV is a common noun. Let's see. See this. Dog is a common noun, but if I say it is Tommy, Tommy is a name of the dog. So when I say Tommy, it becomes the proper noun. So I'm just telling you the difference between proper noun and common noun. So when I say dog, then it is a common noun. When I say Tommy, Tommy becomes, sorry, dog is the common noun. लेकिन टॉमी कोई पर्टिकुलर डॉग की बात कर रहा हूं जिसका नाम है टॉमी, दैट बिकम्स अ प्रॉपर नाउन. गर्ल, सी द गर्ल, बहुत ऐसे गर्ल है, लेकिन व्हेन आई से सिमी, सिमी इज अ पर्टिकुलर गर्ल, सो दैट इज प्रॉपर नाउन. कॉमन नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. कॉमन नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन. लेट्स सी द अदर एग्जांपल. Park. When I say park, it is a normal park. But when I say Eco Park Kolkata, so I talk about a particular park. I talk about a particular park. Okay, let's see some more example. Like girl, cat, church, bag. These are all common nouns. These are all common nouns. Now let's see some proper noun. Ferrari. If I say Ferrari, Ferrari is a name of the brand, name of the car. So if I say car, then it is common noun. But if I say Ferrari is a brand name of the car, so that is proper noun. If I say Simba, there are a lot of movies. Movies are noun, but if I say Simba, Simba is the name of the movie. That is a particular movie, so that becomes proper noun. If I say Harry Potter, so Harry Potter is a particular brand, particular name, so that is proper noun. If I say Facebook, so Facebook is a particular name, so it is a proper noun. So we are just talking about what is proper noun and what is common noun. Okay. Let's go ahead. Again, common noun. Stadium. If I say stadium, that is common noun. But if I say Eden Gardens, Calcutta, then I'll say proper noun. That is a particular name of the stadium. If I say laptop, then it will be common noun. But if I say Lenovo V15 is the name of the laptop, that is called proper noun. So guys, did you notice that? एक चीज आप notice करोगे, all of the proper nouns start with a capital letters. एक चीज हमेशा आप notice करोगे, जब भी आप कोई proper noun use करोगे, whenever you use any proper noun, हमेशा वो जो word होगा ना, वो हमेशा capital से start होगा. It will always start with capital. For example, Goa. See this example. It's a name of the beach, name of the city. So this name is starting with a capital. Goa, Ranchi, India, UK. These all names are starting with capital letters. These are proper nouns. John, Google, Titanic. These all names are starting with the capital letters. Sunday, egg, Himalayas. These all are starting with a capital letters. Any question? If you have any question, you raise your hand. I'll catch you. So many people are raising hands. Some digital hands are available now. So मुझे digital hands को यहाँ पे. Okay, I think Arpita Vishwas wants to say something.
सर इधर है एग. एग तो एग कैसे प्रॉपर हुआ सर? एग एक तो थिंक है.
Okay.
हेलो
हाँ मैं सुना हूँ, मैं दूसरे से पूछता हूँ. या गीता बख्शी, what is your question? Any question, Geeta Bakshi?
Yes, sir. Same question. How it become egg as a proper noun?
Okay, Preeti, egg is doubt. Okay. And Neha, what is your question?
Same question, sir.
Same question.
Yes,
और
sir.
किसी को कोई
Egg.
क्वेश्चन नहीं आया? आप लोग तीनों को सेम क्वेश्चन कैसे आया? And nobody is asking question.
सर एग का तो कोई ब्रांड नहीं है ना, तो फिर एग कैसे प्रॉपर नाउन हुआ? वो तो कॉमन नाउन होना चाहिए.
नहीं, मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि सिर्फ तीनों क्यों पूछे, 3 से ज्यादा लोग क्यों नहीं पूछे? If I say egg, yeah, Komal, I think you have raised hand.
Yes, sir. So my question is, if there is a sentence, I see sky, SKY, sky. The
हाँ.
sky comes under common noun or the proper noun? Because the sky is only one.
Okay. Okay, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about that.
Okay.
We'll talk about that. अभी इस सेंटेंस में बोलिए क्या है? Any problem here? Yeah, Rupesh, do you find any question here?
Sir, I also want to know why egg is categorized under proper noun.
Okay, तो चलिए मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. You see the screen, आपको सब पता चल जाएगा कि what is egg. So egg is not a proper noun.
उधर ही
ये
पढ़िए.
क्या egg का e को आप कैपिटल कर दोगे तो क्या प्रॉपर हो जाएगा? क्या समझ के रखे हैं आप लोग? हाँ, इफ यू विल मेक ई को पहले कैपिटल कर देंगे तो कॉमन प्रॉपर नहीं हो जाएगा. वो तो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा चकमा देते हैं ना, जैसे क्रिकेट में लोग चकमा खा जाते हैं. सो आई थॉट कि आप लोग को थोड़ा सा मैं चकमा दे दूं, you know. It is not a proper noun, and I'm very happy some people they got it wonderfully, very nice. I'm very happy to see some people they noticed. बहे मत जाइए, जो भी पढ़ा रहा है अपना दिमाग भी लगाइए, ठीक है? हाँ, सर है तो वो गलत नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा नहीं कीजिए. Anybody can do wrong, so you should always watch carefully. Absolutely right. Egg is not a proper noun. But if I say the egg, which is a name of a story, suppose the egg is a name of the story, in that case, it will become a proper noun. Suppose the egg is a name of the story, then it will become a proper noun. Okay, now see, and you see all the words. ये words को आप कहीं पे भी बैठाओगे, आप starting में बैठाओ, बीच में sentence के बीच में तो normally noun बैठता नहीं है. If you start with a noun, you end with a noun, you will always use capital letter. You will always use capital letter. Okay, let's go for the next. All of the common nouns start with a lowercase.
और बहुत ज्यादा कर, ऐसे टर 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 ऐसे कर. हाँ, बहुत
Please
ज्यादा.
mute yourself. Okay. So what I was telling, whenever you use any common noun, it will start with lowercase always. C. It is starting with a small. तो ये कभी भी बैठेगा, ये छोड़ एकदम C मतलब एकदम it will start with a lowercase. Flower, school, these are all movie, friend, monkey, pizza, Deadpool. These are all common names. Mountain. Any question? Yes, any question here? Yeah, Momita.
Sir, animal is common noun and monkey proper noun. I'm not,
No, no, monkey. Monkey is a common noun.
but animal also common noun.
Animal is also common noun. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes. Tiger is also a normal name. See, there could be lot of animal तो बहुत बड़ा एक ये है, you know, but animal is a normal common name. Tiger is a common name. But when you talk about a particular Royal Bengal tiger,
Then it will be proper noun.
yes, it will be proper noun.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any more question? Neha ji.
सर ये डेडपुल
सर हाँ ये डेडपुल क्या
ये
है आप
तो
लोग? What is
डेडपुल
that
तो
Deadpool?
प्रॉपर नाउन नहीं होना, मतलब प्रॉपर नाउन होना चाहिए।
डेडपुल है क्या चीज?
कोई एक पर्टिकुलर पुल का नाम है ना?
डेडपुल है या रुपेश?
Deadpool, sir, Deadpool is the name of a movie as well as the name of the game. So it would be a proper noun.
So Deadpool is a name of the movie. Okay, so Deadpool is not a common name. So Deadpool common name नहीं है, उसको मत लिखना. जो लिख दिया उससे दिमाग लगाइएगा, ठीक है? So if I say movie, okay, so movie, so always use your mind. Deadpool is a name of a movie. तो if अगर movie का नाम है ऐसे कुछ कुछ होता है, so आप लोग उसे noun मत, मतलब उसे common name मत सोचिएगा. That is basically a proper name. Yes. Yeah, Shilpa, you want to say ask something?
Yes, sir. I talk about Deadpool. Deadpool is a particular name.
हाँ, Deadpool is a particular name, so it is a proper noun, not a common
Yes,
noun.
sir.
ठीक है?
Yes,
Okay. Yeah, iPhone, Alka.
Sir, you say कि whenever we use common noun, that is used in lower case only.
Yes.
Whenever we start our sentence with the common noun, and there is a rule of the sentence or writing, that is the case of first noun is a capital letter, right?
Now, वो ठीक है, वो उसमें मैं आ रहा हूँ. So I'm going to talk about it. So always remember, I just said common names आप हमेशा start करोगे lower case से. You will not write in a capital letter. But when you are starting the sentence, whenever you start any sentence after the full stop, whenever you start any sentence and you start with a common noun, you have to write in a capital letter. Absolutely right. But normally, that is totally a different thing whenever, you know, full stop के बाद. But आप ऐसे कभी भी अगर sentence में use करोगे, वो हमेशा lower case में ही रहेगा. Absolutely right. Okay, let's go ahead. I think you people are understanding. Absolutely. So Deadpool is a proper name. It's not a common name. So I'm cutting it down right now. And it's movie. Movie is a common name. So guys, like common name, farm. Farm is a common name. But the proper name is like, you know, Eco Village Farm, Kolkata. So if I write like this will be a proper name. So proper name and common name, ये clear आप लोग कर लीजिएगा. That is important. Like common name, city is a common name, but Kolkata, if I write, that is a proper name. If a word is a person, place, or things, it is a noun. I've told you this already. So now we'll have quiz and the full marks is 20. So now what you are going to do, एकदम आप honest इंसान के जैसा इस quiz को खेलोगे. Just to check कि आप कितने honest हो. And then you will correct yourself only. You will write the answer and you will correct yourself. And I will see how much number you get. And please, अगर आप किसी के साथ बैठे हो तो जरूरी नहीं कि आप किसी से पूछ के या दिखा के करो. Okay? Yes, absolutely. Vibha, Rupesh, एकदम opposite होके बैठिए आप लोग, ठीक है? Yeah, don't show anyone. Okay, so You have to tell me it is a common name, a proper name. You will write your answer in your copy, and then you will evaluate yourself, and I will see your number in the box. So first question is, okay, this. If I ask you what is this, and let's ask Ekta Sharma. Ekta Sharma, what is this?
Socks, sir. This is
Socks.
socks.
So what do you think? Socks is a common noun or a proper noun?
Proper noun, sir. No, common noun, sir. Sorry. Common noun.
Sure.
Sure, sure.
ठीक है, आप लिख लीजिए. You write down in your copy if you feel it is a common noun or proper noun. You can write down. So it is a socks. So socks is a common noun or proper noun. So you write your answer. Now I'll be showing you my answer. If my answer matches with your answer, you will give 1 marks to you. And yes, socks is a common noun. Common noun. Very good. You people are playing so good. Okay, let's go for the next person. Okay, ये है नाम है ये मैं. Okay, let's see. Let's ask somebody. Okay, Manju Sharma. Who is this person? You don't remember. You don't understand. Who is this?
No, sir.
बहुत जोर का लगता है कभी कभी, sometimes it hurts a lot. बड़ा सा पत्थर लाइए मेरे को दीजिए. I want to hit my head.
सर ये आप हैं. सर इसमें दाढ़. सॉरी सर.
No, right? I'm just kidding.
सर ये प्रॉपर नाउन है. कार्तिक, सुभाष कार्तिक सर है.
Yes, absolutely right. अच्छा, नहीं नाम सही बोला. Proper नहीं. अरे sorry क्यों बोल रहे हैं जी? बात है. It's okay. Okay, so yes, I'm not telling what is this proper noun or common noun, but yes, this is Mr. Karthik. कोई होंगे जिनका दाढ़ी है. Okay, मैं नहीं हूँ फिलहाल. Okay, so you have to tell Mr. Karthik it is a common noun and proper noun, and I think आपने अभी तक लिख लिया होगा. So if it is correct, then please put 1 marks, or if it is wrong, please अपने को negative marking देना भी सीखिए. Okay, absolutely, this is a proper noun, no doubt about it. Very good. Let's go for the next speaker. ये क्वेश्चन सबसे बेस्ट क्वेश्चन है और सबसे हार्ड भी था, है ना? मुझे लगा नहीं था इतना हार्ड क्वेश्चन था ये, but okay. Let's go for this. What is this? Okay, let's go to okay, I'll ask to Hemlata. Hemlata will speak. Yes, Hemlata, what is this?
Sir, if it is a bridge, then it is a common noun, and if it is a Howrah bridge, then it is proper noun.
Okay, ठीक है, मैं इस पे कुछ कमेंट नहीं करूंगा. I will not say. अच्छा, तो लेकिन अगर ये इसको मैं बोलता हूँ कोलकाता एज अ सिटी, कोलकाता, दिस इज कोलकाता. ओके, दिस इज नॉट ब्रिज और हावड़ा ब्रिज, दिस इज कोलकाता. देन व्हाट इज दिस? ओके, so you write your answer there. So I will show you my answer here, and the answer is, of course, it is a proper noun. It is a proper noun. Very good. Let's go for the next. Yes, abhi कोई confusion नहीं होगा. Let's go to Mamta Sharma. Yes, Mamta Sharma. Who is she? कौन है ये?
सर प्रॉपर नाउन है.
नहीं है कौन ये? Who is this person? माने who is this lady? आपको नाम तो पता नहीं है, लेकिन है क्या? मतलब वो एक she is a designer.
नाउन है क्योंकि उसका कोई नाम ही नहीं पता हमें.
अरे तो ये है क्या, पहले ये बताइए. What is she? She is a she human तो है, मतलब देख के क्या लग रहा है, वो क्या डेजिग्नेशन होगा? She is a what should I say? A vegetable seller, or she is a public speaker, or she is a teacher, or what?
Teacher.
Teacher. So she is a teacher. So what do you think? Teacher is a common noun or proper noun?
Sir, common noun.
Common noun. Okay, देख लेते हैं. Very good, Mamta. You participated. That is more important. So teacher is a common noun. Yes, absolutely right. Teacher is a common noun. Okay, let's go for the next person here. Let's go to Tanushri. Tanushri, unmute yourself. Tanushri, next is this. What is this?
Box.
Okay, so what is box?
Box is a common noun.
Common noun. Confident.
Ah.
Okay. Okay, देख लेते हैं. And absolutely right, box is a common name, no doubt about it. Very good. Let's go to the next speaker, Shilpa Kival. Shilpa ji, your word is coming right now. Yes, it is okay. अब ये थोड़ा सा doubtful होगा, इसलिए मैं बता दूं. This is Ganga River, the Ganges.
Yes, sir. Sir, if the name is the Saraswati Ganga, it's called proper noun, then is this Ganga a common noun?
Okay, no, so this Ganges, this is a Ganga, so it is common noun or proper noun?
Sir, common noun.
Ganga is a common noun. Okay.
Yes, sir. If you call Saraswati Ganga या कुछ ऐसे, so then we call the proper noun.
नहीं, सरस्वती गंगा क्या होता है? गंगा, ये Ganges मतलब ही है गंगा.
Proper noun.
Ganges मतलब ही गंगा. ठीक है?
Okay. Proper noun.
ठीक है, देख लेते हैं वो. Okay, fine. Let's go ahead and see. This is a proper noun. Absolutely right. This is a proper noun. This is Ganges, we say. This is a proper noun. Okay, let's go for the next person. Now I want to go to those people, you know, जो participate नहीं कर रहे हैं. Okay, let's go to Kartika. Kartika, please unmute yourself. Kartika will tell what is this? Okay, this is a country. Country is a common name or proper name?
Common, sir.
Common. Okay, 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 fine. You can mute yourself. Okay, fine. Let's see. Country is a common noun. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay, let's go for the next. Thodas, I want to, you know, make people confused here. Okay, Niti Kumari will speak. Niti Kumari will speak. Niti Kumari, tell me what is this? क्या लग रहा है? What will be this? What will be this? नहीं है, कोई right answer तो है नहीं. What do you think? ये क्या हो सकता है? जो setup है. Okay, let's see. I'm giving you a word for it. Company. Suppose it's a company, okay, or a factory. So what is this? This is a common name or proper name?
It's a common name. Common noun,
Yes.
sir.
Common noun. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Okay, the right answer is absolutely this is a common noun. This is a common noun. Absolutely right. Let's go for the next speaker. Suman Soni, please be ready.
Yes,
Suman Soni, your okay, this is a Sony as a brand.
Yes, sir. This is proper noun.
Absolutely right. Sony as a brand, it is a proper noun.
Yes.
Absolutely right. Very good. We'll go for Anita V. Anita V, please unmute yourself.
Yes,
Anita
sir.
V, your okay. What do you think? What is this?
Because
क्या लग रहा है? What could be the word?
evaluation
Okay.
changes
Okay.
from monkey to the
Changes.
human.
Okay. So it's basically they are human being, right?
Yeah, okay.
So human being is a common noun or a proper noun?
common noun, sir.
Common noun. Are
Human
you sure?
being.
Are you sure?
Yeah, human being is. It's not mentioned any particular one, no. So it will be common, no.
Okay, no, I don't know. I'm just asking. Okay, fine. Let's go for the right answer. Absolutely right. It is a common noun. It is a common noun. Let's go for the next speaker. We'll go to Sampurna Sinha. Sampurna, be ready. I'm coming up with a verb. Okay, what is this, Sampurna? What do you think?
Twice. Sorry.
Toy. So toy. Yes, toy. So toy is a common noun or proper noun?
Is common nouns.
Common noun. Okay, so yes, absolutely right. It is a common noun. Okay, very good. Okay, let's go to Manisha Desai. Manisha Desai, you're saying your word is this. What is this?
Doll, sir.
Okay.
Barbie
तो
doll.
है.
Barbie
अब
doll.
तो- okay, so but when you say Barbie, okay, so suppose this is the Barbie doll, then what is
Then
this?
it's a proper noun, sir.
Absolutely right. This is a proper noun. When you say Barbie, it becomes proper. When you say doll, It is a common name.
Common
Okay, let's
noun.
go to Sumana. Sumana, be ready. I'm coming to you. Please unmute yourself. Your word is this. Okay, what do you think, Sumana? What is this? What you can relate with this picture?
It's a light, sir.
I don't know. Anything what you can relate with this? Kya hai? What is this? What is this? Does it look like a Christmas tree
Yes, sir.
or something, right?
Christmas tree.
So in
Sir, there, sir.
in which month Christmas is celebrated?
December, sir. 25th
December. So yes, December is the word. Tell me, this is a common noun or proper noun?
Sir, proper noun. Month is a common noun. December is a proper noun.
Month is a common noun. Which month is a common noun? And which month is a proper noun?
सर दिसंबर मतलब सर ये तो मंथ का नाम है ना.
अच्छा, तो ये प्रॉपर नाउन है आप बोल रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, the right answer is absolutely proper noun. Absolutely proper noun.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, very good, dear. Let's go for the next speaker. Let's go to the person whom I have not gone. Okay. Okay, let's go to Chandrakala. Chandrakala. Yes, Chandrakala. Please unmute yourself.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Good evening,
So,
sir.
yeah, good evening. So this is called English. So what is
Yes, sir.
English?
English is a proper noun, sir. So particularly, we are mentioning about the subject.
Okay, so you are telling it is a proper name.
Proper noun.
Proper noun. But
Yes.
but it is written in lowercase.
Okay. But here the picture was given in capital letter.
No, forget about the picture. Suppose picture is not there. Suppose I have written.
But even then, it is a subject name. It can be Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, anything, sir. It is
Okay,
a proper noun. I feel it is a proper noun. Common noun. Oh. Sir.
कुछ लोग ऐसे हो रहा है कि क्या हो गया यार, मतलब लग रहा है ना कि टाइम रुक गया एकदम, time stop.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely right. This is
A proper noun.
This is absolutely wrong.
Okay.
It should be written in English.
English.
E should be always
But
capital.
I am observing that the top one, the picture.
Okay. No, don't. वो picture में मत जाओ आप. That is
Yes,
anyway, Chandrakala, you are right. You are
Yes,
absolutely
yes,
right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so English is a proper noun. You cannot write English with a smaller letter, smaller case.
Yes.
It's not about English. You cannot write any language name like Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi. You have to start with a capital letter.
Even in the middle of the sentence.
Yes,
you need to write
absolutely.
the
Even in the middle of the sentence you have to write with a capital letter at the start.
Yeah, whenever the proper noun comes.
Absolutely. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Let's go to the next speaker. Some people, they keep their video off always. I never give opportunity to them. I'm very sorry. Let's go to Savita. Savita.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, what do you see here? If a one word you have to speak, what will be the one word here?
One.
अगर एक word आपको बोलना पड़े, what will be that one word you can see here?
One word I'm not getting.
नहीं, मतलब यहाँ पे कौन सा word आपको लगता है कि
Relation.
Relation. Okay, yeah, kind of a relation. I suppose it is a father.
Father.
So father is a common noun or a proper noun?
Common noun.
Common noun. Okay, the right answer is absolutely common noun. Sumana, noun, it is a common noun, not a proper noun. father is a common noun. अब ना बहुत लोग confuse हो जाते हैं क्योंकि father तो सबका एक है. अब father
वो
एक
common noun ही तो
father को proper noun बोल देते हैं सबको, you know. It's not father as a word, it's a common noun always, okay? So never say father is a proper noun anytime. Okay, let's go for the next word.
Yes.
And this time I'm going to, okay, just a minute. I can't see anyone here.
बीस दिए क्या यहाँ पे?
Okay, please mute yourself first. Okay, fine. I'll cede to somebody and then I'll ask. Okay. Now I'm going to ask to whom? Okay, Chanda Bose, be ready. Your sentence, your word is coming right now. Chanda Bose, tell me which of this word is a noun here?
Yellow.
Lock kar dein?
Yes.
So please, I want everybody to write your own answer so that you can give number to yourself. So according to Chanda Bose, there are 4 words: off, follow, yellow, and road. And the right answer is the word which is noun, it is road. It is road, Chanda Bose. It is a road. Yellow, it is an adjective. How is the road? It's a yellow road. So yellow is a color here which talks about adjective. Okay, these are the silly mistakes we do sometimes. Yeah. Okay, let's go for the, I don't know how many people they did the mistake here. But anyway, let's go to Suman. Suman, your sentence is, which of these words is not a noun? Which is not a noun here?
Scared. Scared.
Scared.
Scared.
Dorothy is a name of the, girl. X, is a cutting equipment. And scarecrow, जो खड़ा होता है ना, crop में. And scared. So yes, Suman, your answer, you said scared. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
How many people are helping you there? No one will help you. No one will help you. No, this is not done. Nobody should be helped by any external agencies. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
So
they are not going away from me. They are not allow me to teach.
okay. So Suman, what do you think? What is scared? If scared is not a noun, then what is scared?
Sir, scared is a feeling.
अरे feeling बोल के parts of speech में कुछ होता नहीं है. What is exactly this is? It is a verb. It is adverb. It is, what is that? Yeah, Vibha, what is this? Husband से मत पूछिए, अपने बोलिए.
Verb.
Verb.
Yes, sir. Action verb.
Action verb. Okay. Karunesh, what do you think? What is this? Yeah, Karunesh.
Yes, sir.
What do you think is what is scared here?
Scared is a verb, sir, but I think it may be abstract noun also.
Okay, guys, I am scared. Here, scared is not a verb. Scared is an adjective. I'm scared. Scared, it is an adjective. Scared, it is adjective. Okay, let's go ahead. If we have any question, we'll talk definitely in future. Okay, so let's go to the next person here. Now, Sharmila Shane will speak. Sharmila, I'm trying to give maximum opportunity to everyone, but at least There are more than 50, so I cannot give to everyone. So the right answer is scared. Absolutely right. Scared is a word which is not a noun here. Okay. So scared is the right answer. Now, Sharmila, your question is, which word in the following sentence is a noun?
The which
Which? Weak नहीं है वो, which है,
which is a noun, sir.
You feel which is a noun? Absolutely right. Which is a noun here. Thank you very much. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's go for the next person. We have got here Vandana ji. Yes, Vandana, you can unmute yourself. I'm going to ask you the next question. Which two words in the following sentence are nouns? The evil monkeys flew up high in the sky.
Monkeys. First one is monkeys, and then another noun. Sky.
You're asking or you're telling?
Telling.
Telling तो ऐसा नहीं होता है, madam. Okay, but you write your answer. You are telling monkey and sky are the nouns. Absolutely right. Monkeys and sky are the nouns here. Absolutely right. Okay, we are left with only number last. Hello. Last answer, last question. Let's go to Karunesh. Karunesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your question is, basically this is a question of everyone. Number 20, tell me the right answer. My dash is that things will get better soon.
Yes,
My
belief.
Believe.
I don't
My
know.
belief.
I'm asking to only one person, Karunesh.
Yes, sir.
A is
Sir,
the
it is-
answer or B?
Sir, A, belief.
Okay, absolutely right. Belief is the right answer, and here belief is the noun also. Okay, A is the noun also. Very nice. My belief is that things will get, okay, my belief is that things will get better soon.
Sir, I have one question. May I ask right now?
Yes,
Sir,
ask.
English is a proper noun or a common noun?
Proper.
English is a proper noun.
Okay, sir.
Any language, any language name is a proper
But
noun.
okay, sir. But if there is a we hears British language and American British English and American English, if both English are there, then
See, we follow British language. So British
we
language.
follow, but in the world there is a two types of English is exist. One is British English and American English. So here, how English is a proper noun, sir? It could be a common noun.
That is the version.
No, that is a different thing. You know, there are some words which Americans, they speak differently. The words are totally different. You know, like we say police, they say cops. We say taxi, they say cab. So there are so many differences. They have a different version only. Their version is totally different. What we are talking about here, we are focusing on British English only. Okay, so consider that only right now.